So what's up mga kaigan? So welcome to my channel guys. This is Mac JPR Vente under the section of AB Communication 1 with the subject PathFit 3 with our instructor, the beautiful, the splendid, and the most brilliant Miss Lormi. So hi Miss. So this time I am going to perform the fundamental steps of dance, and so as you can see I am wearing a modern barong, a red handkerchief, which symbolizes the blood, the sacrifices that our Filipino heroes give during that colonial period. And I am also wearing a modern, and I mean not modern, what do you call this, a native and traditional hat, which is in our municipality we call it buli, which is decorated with some red cloth, which also symbolizes the blood and the bravery of our Filipino heroes during that time. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.